Questions should be answered. Misunderstanding should be cleared. So please watch till the end. We never like to boast about the benefits or perks which we give it to our interns, employees, or freelancers. Because for us, our people are our family, and interns, employees, freelancers are our people. And interns are the youngest yet most integral part of this family. We always treat our interns like kids, and it's our responsibility to make these kids better professional. Hence, the rules, functional target, etc. Every kid is different. Few follow the rules, few don't. Few blame us for not releasing stipend or other benefits, for security deposit policies, for having functional target. Well, what could be the reason? So, let's address those questions one by one. Big question: why functional target? Here goes the answer. Journey without destination is vague and vain. Goals and targets play vital role in shaping the talent. We want our interns to work and achieve something before they leave us. We strongly believe any benefit taken without achievement is charity or favor. We want our interns to be achievers and all benefits to be their rightfully achieved rewards, not charity by us. Another big question: why we recruit interns? Well, we are socially responsible organization. We believe our business activities should create employment for our fellow citizens. We wish we could accommodate every intern as an employee. Sad reality. At this stage, we cannot accommodate, hence, short duration internships or freelance projects. Now, let's be fast forward. Why this clip? This is to show the truth. As we said earlier, few kids follow rules, few don't. Those who follow, they achieve, and rest, as usual, cry foul. Hence, these days we are seeing negative reviews, we are seeing bad reviews for us as an employer. Well, we are all humans, and it really feels bad when we see all this, especially when we are none of that. If we have done any crime, obviously we will face the law. But if we implement the rules which we have set and explained everyone before joining, then we should not be blamed for executing our own rules and regulations as such. So, this is the clip to show the other side of the story. As we said, whoever follow the rules, they achieve. So, here are the rewards for those who achieve: cash rewards, stipend, goodwill amounts, certificates, letter of recommendation. You can see this letter of recommendation and certificates on your own. Well, we have just scrapped them for the safety purpose, but There are so many like this available with us. You can see the stipend payment receipt along with security deposit refund. Every month, at least 30 to 40 interns get their payments and security deposit back. So we do give. So there are plenty such documents which can prove our genuine intentions of creating employment opportunities for youth. Send requests to newbrains@busybrains.com with subject intern benefits supportive documents. We are just fulfilling our social responsibility. That's it. Every day someone gets benefited while working with us. There are plenty such certificates, letter of recommendations, payment receipts of payments made to interns. That's their own achievement. We didn't give them for free. They earned it with their dedication, commitment, and smart work with proper plan of actions. We would be glad to welcome you in our Busy Brains family. To join us, you can contact any HR coordinator who is officially representing us and follow the rules and recruitment process thoroughly. General recruitment process is as follows. Referring to internship or job profile in text or audio formats, you have to ask the HR who conducts interview, and you can ask the HR about other joining formalities also. Once you go through the JD audios, okay, telephonic interview will be conducted by HRs on the files shared. Explain HR about the plan of action to complete the functional target. After that, joining process email has to be sent to the company email address. Company will send the document submission email. Then candidate has to submit the document. After the document submission, the post joining process will be sent by email. It might be there in the document submission email itself. So the new joinee has to contact the reporting head or the team coordinator for the further process, and after that they can start working with us. Just one humble request. Please follow the instructions and rules correctly. You will surely achieve your functional target. Most important rule, all payments should be done to BusyBrains official accounts, UPI IDs, Google Pay or Paytm numbers only. Our representative is not allowed to collect cash payments from anyone. Biggest truth, there is no compulsion of joining with security. Join without security. Achieve something, not for us, for yourself. Joining with security surely has its own benefits, but it comes with rules, and rules should be followed so that HR or the team coordinator doesn't suffer. Moral of the story, follow the rules and execute proper plan of action to achieve functional targets. Let your benefits be your rights, but remember, rights also come with duties. Thank you for watching and join us if you want to grow with us. Email address is newbrains@busybrains.com, website www.busybrains.com. Thank you.